Hey YouTube, Mick here. Alrighty, I'm gonna make myself some lunch. Filming again in my backyard because I'm not allowed to go to the reserve to make a fire. So what I'm gonna do today is grill up some chicken like that, marinate it with some oil and paprika, and then I'll finish it off with some soy sauce. I'm going to use my new grill I bought from Ray's Outdoors, and quickly show you a little system that I made up for this to keep it off the flames. So just got it in this little sack here, and I've just got these tent pegs which I've straightened out and bent, and then get these paper clips and clip it on there to keep it in place. A bit fiddly, but once you get the hang of it, it's alright. There you go. That's pretty secure, it's not going anywhere. So I'll put that on in a minute, let me get the fire started. Gonna use a good old Samba fire starters. Just see that's my head in the way. Strike force fire starter, I think it's called. 2 strikes, so that's lit. Just add a couple more because I don't have too many small sticks to get this started. Alright, I'll get the fire going and I'll come back. Alright, as you can see I've got that fire going, so I'll wait to get to a bit of coals and I'll enjoy a beer and a smoke while I'm waiting. Hey peoples, alright, it's friggin' starting to sprinkle, eh? So I better start doing this now before I get rained on. So with my improvised little kind of grill stand, you just use these stakes, these peg stakes, and stick it on. So, and you know, if the fire gets weaker and weaker, you can just always push it down to get closer to the heat. So I'm going to start slapping these on. First time I'm using this grill, so I don't know how it's going to go. Should do alright. Also got some lemon juice. I'm not making a fire as big as I did yesterday where I burnt my potatoes and all that stuff, so I'm going to keep it on the low. Friggin' phone. I'll come back to you. Alright, I've had to put the grill plate lower because I didn't have too much wood, and Yeah, it's at a perfect height there. So cooking away slowly. That's the way I love cooking my chicken, nice and slow. Add some more lemon, I'll just flip it around. Right, these are coming along quite nicely, so time to add some soy sauce. It's a bit. Yeah, these will be ready soon. Chicken's now starting to stick to the grill. So I'm pretty happy with this grill. Bought it from Ray's Outdoors, I don't know, $6, whatever. And these tent pegs are really coming in handy with these paper clips to raise it and lower it when you need to. So I think it's going to turn out to be a good bush grill. Alrighty, time the plate up, I think. That should be done. Alrighty, time to test it out using the Sidekick as my cutting tool. Definitely white. Oh, that's nice. I've never cooked on my open fire with red gum bark before, or wood, and wow, the smoked flavour is just unbelievable. I did once cook kebabs from a local tree down the road, and the kebabs tasted like shit. Disgusting. Don't know what wood it was, but it was disgusting. But this, you can really taste that smoked red gum wood. It's beautiful. Oh, mate, nice. Alright, I'm going to finish my lunch. It's not much of a lunch, but I'm on a diet at the moment, so like, subscribe. Wish you could be here. Cheers. Yum. So tender. Mmm. Mmm.